Hi, this is Logan from Audio Technica. Optimal Audio have released version 1 web app for their Zoners. It's dead easy to download from their website, upload via an SD card or a web app. We now have bridge mode available on the powered Zoners at 8 ohms or 70 volt for high impedance systems. You can now edit the user page and hide zones that you don't want to see, and line inputs and the microphones. There is a new single zone view for end users that are using an iPad in one zone. There's an extra 3 bands of parametric EQ on each output, alongside the 3 bands of parametric EQ that can be used for speaker profiles. That's 6 in total, and full OSC integration for controlling the system with third-party devices. If you're interested in using Optimal Audio in your next install, give me a call.